Hello everyone, Rachel here. I am going to present a Prezi on the app that I have chosen for our Bloom's Level Remembering for our class project. Notability is the app that I have chosen, and Notability is a wonderful note-taking app, which I will explain a little bit more as I go on here. But one of the main reasons why I chose this app is because most of us are teachers or in the teaching profession in one way or the other. But I actually learned about this app while taking courses at the University of Minnesota as a student. So I think not only is we can look at it from the teacher perspective, but really look at it in order for your students to organize maybe their work a little bit better. Notability is a great option, especially if your school maybe is a one-to-one, or if you have I should say iPads available in your classroom. So a little bit about Notability. Notability is going to be a fantastic note-taking app that allows the user to annotate documents, sketch their ideas or diagrams, as well as record lectures. So the beauty about Notability is it allows you to take over PDF documents, to mark them up. You can sketch in it and save it as a PDF and send it to your teacher. It receives a 4-star rating on the iTunes App Store. People just love Notability. The subject, anyone can use this. I put it as a general app because anyone and everyone should be using Notability, especially if you are using an iPad or iPhone in any sort of function. The app name obviously is Notability, like I have been telling you. The key verb is write. There could be a lot of verbs that we could use for this, but overall you would really use it as a note-taking app, or like I said, annotating a document or that sketching feature. Tasks, note-taking, annotating, reading a PDF, sketching, recording lectures, and then you can share any of this with anyone that you would want to, as well as everything saved on the cloud no matter where you access it. Bloom's Level, we're doing remembering, so those are the kind of the key tasks that students are doing. They can create bullets, they can create lists. Those are some of those key verbs that we've heard. They can obviously take the notes. They can go and review all those different types of things. It does cost. Sometimes you can catch it. They run a little promo for free, but it is pretty inexpensive. It is $2.99, and I would say it is well worth that $2.99. And like I said, it is a mobile app. I'm not going to have you guys watch this whole thing because it is 8 minutes long, but this gentleman does
Hello
a great
everyone,
review.
My name is Talon Anderson, and I'm an Apple genius here at ATSU. And basically, we're going to look at 3 apps today. Notability. Now, Notability is basically the main annotating app that we use here at the school, and it has some awesome features that allow us to do everything that we need to. So, what you see here on the screen, just kind of point down into further cat example, hit the plus button, folder. And so I can click on physiology. Now, there's nothing in there yet, so what we'll do is we'll click on subject, and we'll say the PowerPoints that teachers also use here. One way to do that is you can use cloud servers basically to import. And so I can click on.
So that's just a little overview. I wanted to skip over a couple of parts, but feel free to watch that on your own time. If you just Google Notability review, he is the first image or the first video to come up. Thanks. Hope you enjoy Notability.